Welcome back with a new math lesson. Our lesson today about solving system of equation by substitution. In this lesson, we'll know a new method to solve the system of equation. As we said before, solving system of equations means find the value of the variable, which satisfy each equation. So in this lesson, we'll know how to solve by using a new method which is called substitution. So question number 1, we need to use substitution to solve the system of equation. Equation number 1, y equals 2x plus 1, and 3x plus y equals negative 9. So the main point of solving, we need one of the two equations has one variable at the left-hand side and all of the equation at the right-hand side. You will find that in equation number 1. So we can say that's equation number 1. And that will be equation number 2. So we can say from 1 at 2. What is the meaning from 1 at 2? It means replace each y for the second equation and replace it with the value of y, which is 2x plus 1. That is the meaning of substitution. And rewrite the equation now. So it will be 3x plus, and instead of y, I will replace it with 2x plus 1. That's we find it from the equation number 1. That's equals to negative 9. Now by solving the equation. So 2x plus 3x equals 5x. 5x plus 1 equals to negative 9. Now by solving the equation, we have positive 1. If you shift it, it will be negative 1. So we have 5x is equals to negative 10. Now we can divide by 5. So we can say that x is equals to negative 2. That is the value of x. So now we can using substitution at equation number 1. So this will be equation number 3. Now we can say from equation number 3 at equation number 1. What is the meaning from equation number 3 at equation number 1? As we said, x is equal to negative 2. So instead of x, I will replace each x with negative 2. So now we can rewrite the equation. So y is equals 2 multiplied by negative 2 plus 1. It means y is equals to negative 4 plus 1 equals to negative 3. So now we can say the solution will be negative 2 and negative 3. We have an order pair, it means it must be written as x and y. So the solution will be negative 2 and negative 3. In question number 2, we have y equals 4x minus 6 and 5x plus 3y equals to negative 1. We need to solve the equation. As we said before, to solve the system of equation by substitution, we need one equation that has one variable at the left-hand side and all of the equation at the right-hand side. We will find that in equation number 1. So we can say that's equation number 1 and that's equation number 2. By the same way, we can say from 1 at 2. It means replace each y with 4x minus 6. Now we can rewrite the equation. So 5x plus 3 multiplied by 4x minus 6. All of that is equals to negative 1. Now by solving the equation. So we can write 5x plus by using distributive property. So 3 times 4x equals 12x. 3 multiplied by negative 6 equals to negative 18. All of that is equals to negative 1. Now by solving the equation, 5x and 12x equals 17x. Minus 18 is equals to negative 1. By solving the equation using the inverse operation, so it will be by adding 18. So we have 17x is equals to positive 7. Now we can divide by 17. Then we can say that x is equals to positive 1. And that is the value of x, and that will be equation number 3. As we're doing before, so from equation number 3 at 1. What is the meaning from equation number 3 at 1? It means from the equation number 1, replace each x with 1. So it will be y equals 4 multiplied by 1 minus 6. Now we have y is equal 4 minus 6 equals to negative 2. And that's the value of y. So we can say the solution will be the ordered pair 1 and negative 2. It means if you replace x with 1, and replace y with negative 2, you will find that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. In question number 3, we need to solve x plus 2y equals 6 and 3x minus 4y equals 28 by using substitution. As we said before, to solve the equation by using substitution, we need one equation that has a variable in the left-hand side and all of the equation at the right-hand side. So if you look at the equation number 1 and the equation number 2, you will not find any one of them. So we need one variable at the left and all of the variable at the right. Which one that we'll choose? We'll choose the variable that has a coefficient equals 1. So we'll find that x is equals 1. So we can shift 2y to the other side. 2y is positive, so it will be negative 2y. So we can say equation number 1 is x equals 6 minus 2y. And that will be defined by the equation number 1. And that will be equation number 2. By the same way, we can say from equation number 1 at equation number 2. What is the meaning from equation number 1 at equation number 2? By the same way, and instead of x, replace it with 6 minus 2y. So instead of x, I will replace it with 6 minus 2y. Then rewrite the equation number 2. So it will be equals 3 multiplied by 6 minus 2y minus 4y equals 28. So by using distributive property, so 3 times 6 equals 18, minus 3 times 2 equals 6y, minus 4y equals 28. Now by solving the equation, because this 18 is positive, we can shift it to be by subtracting it. Negative 6y minus 4y equals negative 10y equals 28 minus 18 equals positive 10. Now you can divide by negative 10. So we can say that y is equals 10 divided by negative 10 equals to negative 1. And that is the value of y. Now from equation number 3 at equation number 1. It's mean replace each y with negative 1. So instead of y, I will replace it with negative 1. It's mean x is equals 6 minus 2 multiplied by negative 1. Then x is equals 6 minus 2 times negative 1, it will be negative 2. Minus negative 2, it will be plus 2. It means x is equals to 8. Now we find the value of x and the value of y. So we can say the solution would be, don't say negative 1 and 8. We said the ordered pair, we have to start from x to y. So the solution now will be 8 and negative 1. And that's how we can solve by using substitution. In question number 4, we have 4x plus 5y equals 11. Y minus 3x equals negative 13. We need to solve this system of equation by using substitution. We said to solve by using substitution, we need one variable at the left-hand side and all of the variable at the right-hand side. You will not find at the equation number 1 and the equation number 2. If you didn't find, we need to find the variable that has a coefficient equals 1. So we'll find that we have y equals 1. So we'll use this equation. Now we have y shifting 3x to the other side. It was negative 3x, so it will be by adding 3x. So the equation now will be y equals 3x minus 13. And that will be equation number 1. And the second equation now will be equation number 2. We can say from equation number 1 add 2. From equation number 1 at equation number 2, it's mean replacing each y with 3x minus 13. Now rewrite the equation. So it will be 4x plus 5y. 5 instead of y, replace it with 3x minus 13. All of that is equal to positive 11. Now we can solve the equation. That's 4x plus 5 times 3 equals 15x minus 5 times 13 equals 65. All of that is equals 11. Now 4x plus 15x equals 19x minus 65 is equal to 11. By solving the equation that's negative, it will be positive 65. So we have 19x is equals 76. Now dividing by 19, it means x is equals 4. After finding the value of x, that will be equation number 3. From equation number 3 at equation number 1. From equation number 3 at equation number 1, it means replace x with 4. So now rewrite the equation y equals 3 multiplied by 4 minus 13. It means y equals 3 times 4 equals 12. Minus 13 equals negative 1. And that is the value of y. So we can say that the solution will be 4 and negative 1. You have to start with x, then end with y.